All right, that was the first load. We'll We'll drop this off at the landfill and go to the next job right here. A nice, cute little minimum load. All right, job done. Off to the next one. Now this is a pretty good firewood sauna. I know a guy could use it, so if he doesn't want it, then you guys can yell at him. His name is 3 simple, easy jobs for today. Not too bad. Wish I had the space to keep all that wood. That was pretty good wood, or even try or have the time to find someone that wants it. But we got to get to the next job and I need the truck empty, so like I gotta choose my battles here, you know. All right, we're starting off with quite an interesting one. They are demoing this apartment or sorry, not demoing, renovating. We already started doing the lower ones. That's the garbage for now. Now we just got to do this unit. Here's the next unit. Should drop it all off. My favorite stuff to drop. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. Let's go. That's it for this load. Here's our second job for the day. We just got to empty out this trailer here. Just whatever's inside. Nice little copper tub. We'll try and keep it. Well, not try, we will keep it. See if we can make out of it. All right, so we're at the landfill. Usually I would just go and dump this at the dumping site, but we're just at the bins. Reason for doing that is I want to keep all the wires. Now all this wire is from a apartment building, and I've never seen them use aluminum wires for their interior. Like, for example, this electrical box, aluminum is coming in and there's just one copper wire. I don't know why they did it like that. And it's a house from or apartment from the 70s, so I'm kind of surprised that they used aluminum. But it is what it is. Actually, pretty sure this one is copper. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell, but these guys are copper. I don't know if you can tell. These guys are copper wires. They're number one, so they pay the most. Looks like this guy. Yeah, this guy's a wire. Just make sure. Yeah, copper. Empty. Oh, here's one. It's all copper. Number one. Empty. Empty. Full. Dang. Oh, there's one.
Thanks.
Problem. So yeah, we'll just sweep the rest of it under the mattress. And this is what we got. So this here, that's all aluminum wires. This is like also aluminum, just kind of smaller. And this pink bucket, that's all number one copper wire. So yeah, we'll see how much. Now we just gotta strip all of that. A little bit of change of plans. Got another job booked in, and I do not have room for that green bin, and that's full of the aluminum wires. So I'm gonna bring those into the metal yard and then just strip the copper wires. £91 for those aluminum wires. So let's see how much we'll get. If I were to guess, it would be for £91, I don't know, 50 bucks. We just went in and we got $48, so not bad of a guess. It's not much, but it kind of saves me the time of cutting and stripping aluminum wires. I don't know if I would have gotten that much of a better price if I did strip them, because all that time invested into stripping it wouldn't really make sense for me, because I gotta stuff needs to keep moving at my garage, and it's so yeah. The copper wire, that's worth stripping, because that's probably $2 more stripped per pound. We already brought everything down from the 4th floor down, so everything is just in the foyer here. I'll just load it up in the truck.
Hello.
On this job, there's a few items we can donate. These 2 chairs, this entertainment table, and we'll try and donate this. I can't really tell what it is, like a table chair set thing. But yeah, we'll try and donate these 3, and the rest will go to the landfill. It's such a beautiful day here in the Okanagan when it's winter. And something like that, you gotta cherish every day like that, because usually they're just super cloudy the whole winter long.
Hello.
All right, we just stopped at the first donation center, and they do not accept any furniture, which is literally what we have in the truck right now, due to their Christmas section taking up a bunch of space. So we'll try the next one, see if they take any of the stuff that we have. Took that wooden chair table set and the fan, actually, which I was surprised. And then the rest they don't want. They have way too much stuff and not a lot of people are buying. So unfortunately, the rest will have to go. Man, that TV stand is actually kind of nice, or the entertainment center. Yeah, but I have no room and we got to get to our next job here. So unfortunately, the rest of the stuff needs to go to the landfill. Man, what a nice day. Like, come on. Not like so nice. If you take out the springs by yourself, it doesn't cost anything, but if you drop them off, it's like 15 bucks a piece, and we got 3 in there. So we'll cut them up and just take the springs out. That way we're only paying for the what is it called? At times like this, I wish I had a warehouse to like at least store the stuff so that I could try and sell them, but I just literally have no space. Just kind of wasting a bunch of stuff here. Awesome to just have in a shop, like, come on. But I have no use for it. Check this guy out. Got it from a junk job too. My guy hates it, but I kind of dig it. We'll try and see if this cuts. All right, let's unload all this